everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Alright, we'll start with jumping jacks. Repeat after me. And let's say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Awesome. Start rotating arms. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Going the other way. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. We're going to warm up with some punches. Okay, so we're going to go jab crosses just like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Now this time do some uppercuts. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Some knees this time. Right and left. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. One last one. Reaching for your toes. Just hang like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. And come back up. All right. Shake your hands. Shake out your legs. Chariot. Kenya. Hi, everybody. In this part of the lesson today, we're going to go over push kicks. Okay. We're going to do push kick combinations. Okay. Throwing hands up. Fighting stance. Awesome. All right. So we're going to do lead leg push kick. Now, one thing that's probably difficult to do, but I want you guys to practice it, is when you do a push kick with your front leg, don't move your back leg. Okay? This is something I tell my competition students. Okay? When we're out competing, I'll tell them don't telegraph. Now here's what telegraph means. Telegraph means don't show the person you're about to kick. Okay? You don't want to show them that you're about to do it or else they're going to move out of the way. But when you do your push kicks, right, you want to pick up this knee without moving this back one and throw it right there. Okay? You stick your ground, you hold yourself firm like a tree, you throw your push kick. Make sense? Okay, so we're gonna practice 10 times with our left, 10 times with our right. And I want you to make sure this foot doesn't move. Okay, and parents, if you're watching this with your kids, just keep an eye on them. Just look at their foot. And a little game I like to do is I like to get like a shoe, right? Just make sure they don't move that foot. Okay? Your methods might be different, but that's the method that works for me. So you're gonna pick up this leg or this leg now. We're gonna do 10 push kicks. I'm gonna say hana. Good. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Yas it. Eagle. You done. Oh. Yeah. Awesome. Good job. All right, let's do the other side now. Same thing. Pick up this leg. Don't move your back one. Ready? And hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Yas it. Eagle. You there? Oh. Yeah. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. All right, we're going to fight this combination now. So, we're going to fight a boss battle. Okay? All right, here's the boss. All right, he's right here. Here's the combination we're going to do to beat him. We're going to go push kick. Now, he's going to charge at us with running at us. We got to push kick him away. And as soon as he's gone back, we're going to follow up with a round kick. Okay? So, all kicks. Ready? All right, he's going to charge at us. Ready? And push kick. Round kick. Awesome, good. All right, pushing back, pushing away. And push kick. Round kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Ready? And push kick. Round kick. Awesome, good job, Ready? And push kick. Round kick. Awesome, good job. 2 more times. Ready? And push kick. Round kick. Awesome, good. 1 more time. Ready? And push kick. Round kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Very good work today. I'll see you in the next part of the lesson. Awesome job, you guys. Let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. All right, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can. And when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. I'm Master Kelly. I got a really quick announcement for you guys today. So on August 15th, we're releasing a brand new program called Samurai for Christ. Samurai for Christ is a Catholic online homeschool martial arts curriculum. It'll have your kids go from white belt all the way to our lady's favorite color, the blue belt. Now what makes this program unique is that your kids are going to be learning 9 different forms named after warrior saints. And in this program, your kids are not only going to be learning the moves of martial arts, but they're also going to be learning about the lives of the saints and also are going to engage in Ignatius mental prayer. So I'm going to go step by step how to do mental prayer for kids. It's a fantastic way for kids to grow, not only just become more calm, control their emotions, but also grow in the spiritual life, right? Which ultimately is the most important thing. So if you guys are interested and you want to sign up for that program, click those links down below for more information. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I'd like to introduce to you our very own website called dojogotv.com. Our website will give you access to family-friendly kids martial art lessons and exclusive courses updated throughout the year away from YouTube. This means no ads or suggested videos. Each series inside the app will take your kids on an interactive storyline that'll help them not only learn the moves of martial arts, but have lots of fun along the way. If you'd like to support Dojo Go and all future content, please consider becoming a member of dojogotv.com. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. So I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead and push yourself forward. Okay, now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pisa. Nice nod after me. I'm gonna say hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot, we're gonna pick up our knee just like this, and then we're gonna put our hands on the ground. Just keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. Then we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. So everyone together, everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure don't forget to breathe. Okay? Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good, nice. Now we're gonna take this foot, we're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good, awesome. All right, let's together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, I'm keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. Just stretch your upper body just like this. Okay? And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're gonna be on our knees like this. We're gonna stretch out our wrists. I want you guys to take your hands just like this, turn them upside down, place them on the mat gently on the ground, and then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick, but really slowly lean back, okay? And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, Either. Bubble. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. I'm gonna say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Asu. Yasu. Yugo. Either. Bubble. You're awesome. All right, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. Repeat nice loud after. Be really gentle. Pull. I'm gonna say hana. Dur. Set. Net. Asu. Yasu. Yugo. Either. Bubble. Yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Gonna say hana. Dur. Set. Net. Asu. Yasu. Yugo. Either. Bubble. Yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands in the back of your head here. We're stretching our neck down. And say hana. Dur. Set. Net. Asu. Yasu. Yugo. Either. Bubble. Yeah, awesome. Good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. Then take your feet together just like this. I want you guys just to hang. Just hang down like this. No counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Ready yet? And yeah.
Hey parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.